Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the yellow line on CapCut PC. So for instance, you're editing and you are seeing this yellow preview line on your timeline and you just want to get rid of it. So to do that, it's actually pretty simple. Don't click on anything and select this button, turn off preview access, and it's going to turn it off. You can also use the S button on your keyboard to enable it and to disable it as well. That is the shortcut for the preview access, and that is how you can remove the yellow line that is displayed on your CapCut PC timeline. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!